Hello everyone, we are here to teach you how to make a good caipirinha, a good Brazilian caipirinha, the real deal, a good one. This is going to be art. This is art. So that's what you need. Lemons, we're going to use green lemons. Here in Brazil we call them tight lemons. Okay. Sugar, cachaça, an authentic cachaça, ice. Alright? So, keep watching.
And here are the tools you will need. The knife, okay, the muddler and the shaker, okay. Now you must cut a section of the lemon to reach its core. Do it carefully. Then take the section out and expose its core and the columella. See? You must cut the columella out of the lemon. So, it's very important to remove it completely, okay? The goal of doing it is to avoid unwanted bitterness in the drink. Now it's time to slice the lemon. After you remove the columella, you slice the lemon, okay? You can slice in 4 or 5 slices, but we're going to use only 3 in this example, okay? We're going to use only 3 slices. And a very important detail here is that you must put the slice inside the cup with its peel pointing outside the cup. See? The peels must be pointing out the cup, okay? This is a very important detail, guys. Pay attention to do like this. Peels point outside the cup, okay? Very important to do it.
As you have noticed, we are using a whiskey cup as a reference of measure. Okay, a whiskey cup. Then, for this whiskey cup, you will need 3 spoons of sugar. Okay, a whiskey cup, 3 spoons of sugar, 1 lemon. So, as I told you, 3 spoons of sugar. Okay.
Now, using the muddler, you must crush the lemon pulp, the juice sac, along with the sugar. This is the reason why I emphasized that the peel should be pointed out of the cup. See, that's why I emphasized it so much. It is to avoid squeezing the peel, because squeezing the peel causes unwanted bitterness. This is very, very important. Do not touch the peel, or I avoid touching the peel the most you can. Aim for only the lemon pulp, aim for only the juice sac. It is a meticulous work. It cannot be done in a hurry, okay? So do it very carefully. Do it with no hurry, okay?
Here we put in the ice cubes because our cubes are very small because today is really hot. We're going to put 6. Okay. Okay, then the next is cachaça. Here. Alright. Hit it. All right. Then now we have cachaça, ice cubes, sugar, and the lemon. All right, really good. Now we're going to put them into the shaker. Yeah, it got stuck here. So we have to put all together, lemon and the sugar. All the sugar. We have to put all together. All right. Okay. All right. You don't have to shake it for a long time, as you could see. Now we put it back into the cup. Whoops. One slice fell off. But now you just enjoy. Cheers!